guys, what's up? It is your boy Rat, yeah. And today I just want to talk about Noire. You've probably heard of it. It's what I normally put on Facebook and stuff. It's the London clothes label. And they sell stuff like t-shirts and hoodies and all that sort of stuff to sort of the teenage age range, sort of 14 to 25, and so yeah. So I'm going to put some links on this video to the website so you can go check it out and grab a shirt or something. Also, if you do want any like t-shirts or anything, and you live sort of near Saxmundham, live near me, you can order through me and I'll get you like a sort of a 10% discount. So that'll be pretty good. And yeah, so basically Noire, it was founded by Mr. Kevin Patrick. He's a really nice guy. He's done a lot of business stuff. He's quite young as well still. He's only, I don't know how old he's in his 20s, is he 20 or something? I don't know, he'll probably correct me. But yeah, so it's his business. And I've been me and my sister have been helping to promote it, and tweet and stuff, and trying to get in contact with sort of up and coming skilled people who are sort of like good musicians and stuff, starting out doing some gigs, stuff like that, so we can give them some free shirts and stuff, and they can wear it, and we can get, so we'll get our name out there. So all we really want to do is just, if you just like buy a t-shirt or something and wear it about, that's really helpful for us, because then that's how we get the snowball rolling. We get people like going, oh look at that, I've seen a couple of people like that. I might go on their website and check it out, see what that's like, and then they'll buy stuff, and then it just all snowballs, and that's a really old bloody combine harvester, man. Damn, look at that bad boy. Anyway, yeah. So that's how we get the snowball balling or whatever. And that's all I sort of wanted to talk about. So that was, yeah, this is what this video is about, just telling you how it's all coming together, doing the promotion and stuff. So yeah, it should be good, and this webcam's getting right up my arse and I don't like it. So I'm going to slow right down and see what he does. So yeah, that was just this little video, and just a little ride on my bike. I don't know why I've already done it on my bike, but it's a bit different. And I'll be seeing I'll be talking when I next talk, or you'll probably see me tweet or something. So yeah, come on.